Best Kitchen Countertop Compost Bin Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular compost bins in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this indoor compost bin so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this right away. The one that made our list is the Granrosi Farmhouse Kitchen Compost Bin. Now you can have perfect odorless storage for organic and kitchen waste in your home. The rounded lid not only keeps fruit flies away, but the integrated charcoal filter also blocks odor naturally. This set comes with 2 extra filters which last up to 4 months each, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. This bin is made with a special coating inside and outside for extended durability. And at 1.3 gallons, it offers ample space for temporarily collecting your organic kitchen waste. You can use the sturdy handle to empty the indoor compost into your outside food waste bin without any hassle. And when you're done, simply wash it with warm soapy water and wipe the lid with a damp cloth. To check out the full specs of the Granrosi Farmhouse Kitchen Compost Bin and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/kitchencompost. Here's a quick look at this compost bin. So there you have it, the Granrosi Farmhouse Kitchen Compost Bin. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material and its overall functionality, we feel that this compost bin is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Granrosi Farmhouse Kitchen Compost Bin and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/kitchencompost. Alright, thank you for watching.